So, garden season has started a while ago here, but as usual we're behind. This section of our garden, we've always kept herbs here, chives and peppermint and lots of different kinds of yummy things, rosemary, oregano, but it has just been taken over now by different kind of weeds, and certain herbs just spread out way too much. So what we're doing now is we're just gonna redo this entire section here. We're gonna tear this up, and I'm gonna build something absolutely beautiful to design this and create some kind of microclimate here. This hedge that's behind me here as well, that has just grown into it with lots of suckers, and it's impossible for us to really remove this. We've got to move all these rocks and just redo the area. This was an herb that we planted. This is the root, turned into a weed. This here's our old garden border. That is going to be replaced now. And as you can tell, it was about time. This is wild garlic. It's gonna stay here permanently. And then we have something else here that I actually don't know the English term, but we use it a lot in fond and soups. It's not quite done yet, but I'm done, at least for the day. We're gonna be building a wooden frame on the bottom area here, so we have another level that'll make it 3-4 different steps. It's gonna be warmer up on top there against those rocks and the wood chips, so we're gonna plant things like rosemary there and thyme. There's oregano up there. Then other things like chives that grow when it's colder, they're going to be on the bottom area here, and it's just going to be looking real pretty. And then a bigger area down here, we're going to plant peppermint. I'm not sure what the plant is called in English, but basically that's what we're going to do, and it's going to go wild and grow in the different directions. So I'm quite happy with it. Looks much better than it did before. And I'm very tired now. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another video. I'll see you. Bye.